SocialV is a WordPress solution based on most popular and time-tested plugin BuddyPress and LearnPress. This video will be about setting up the BuddyPress plugin for our SocialV. So here you can see my dashboard, and in that I will be going to settings, and in that I will click on BuddyPress setting. And before going to any of the options, you will have to make sure that all the components are selected, and if they are not selected, then just check mark it and then save the settings. Now before going to the options, I will go to my social website and click on the admin profile, and then I will move back to my dashboard and I will click on options, and here you will find different settings like main settings, member settings, profile settings, group settings and activity settings. Now if we come to the main setting, and in the main setting we will find template pack, which has a select menu. We'll make sure that we are selected with BuddyPress legacy because our SocialV is dependent on this template pack. So these are all the accessible options that you can provide to the user. Now let me show you an example. First I will go to my SocialV website, and in the profile you can see that we have the invitation button, but when I come back to my dashboard and in the member settings, I will just uncheck the invitation box and then save the settings, and then if I move back to my site and refresh it, you will see that the invitation button has been gone. Moving to the page section, you will find directories. So with directories you can associate any component with the pages you have created. For example, here we have members, so we have created a member page for the member component. If you have any other, then you can just select from the drop down, and for verifying it you can just click on view and you can see if the pages is right or not. This is same for the registration also. You can associate any component with your pages and then click on save settings and you will be done. So we are again back to the dashboard, and I will select SocialV options. In that, if I scroll down to the features section, so in BuddyPress setting I will select members profile. Now if I go to the SocialV website, so you can see here that the views, posts and comments are visible to the user. But what if I don't want it to be visible? So for that I will move back again to the dashboard and disable the show post, show comment and show views, and then click on save changes. Now if I again move back to my website and refresh it, so you will find that it's gone now. Now if you go to the profile setting, then you will find two options, that is the profile setting and the account settings. Now if you click on account setting, you will see a form which allows you to fill in the information, and the label name is as base. Now this video will be about changing the name base to something else, and we are also going to add new groups just like the profile setting, and then we will try to add fields to it. So for doing that, I will move back to my dashboard and I will click on users, and then I will go to the profile field. Now here you can see that it's labeled base, so I will click on the base primary button and then I will click on edit group. After clicking on edit group, I can here change the base name to something else, so I will just change it to personal information and then I will click on update. Now if I go to my website and refresh it, you can see the changes. So now we have created a group, and now it's time to add some field. So for that I will click on the add new field button, and then here I will add 2 or 3 fields. The first field I will be adding is my hobbies, and I will select a type. For that I am selecting the text box, and here I will do the changes as per my needs, and then I will click on save. Now I will randomly put another field that is labeled as games, and again I will select the type as per my need and also do the changes here, and then I will click on save. So now to check that our changes have been done or not, we will move to the website and we will refresh it. So here you can see that our changes has been added. Our base is changed to personal information, and also a new field group, that is the hobbies and interests, have been added. And this is how you can set up your BuddyPress setting and also your profile settings. Get started with SocialV today and start leveraging the power of your knowledge and community.